and I took it to go get diagnosed. They said it's the expansion tank. So we are about to try to get this shit out the way real quick. Change the expansion tank, bleed it, get that out the way. For the tools, you're gonna need a 10 mil motherfucking pick. Pick these joints out. I already got the clips basically out. I mean, you just literally, this is all you're gonna do. Oh shit. This is all you're gonna do. Boom. Just pop that clip. Then I need to go in the crib, get the flathead, and this is the new expansion tank. New sensor. Hopefully this one don't go bad. We'll see. But I'll be right back. Get your trash bag for the coolant, because this bitch finna leak out on me. I don't know whether it's focused. It's not focused, but yeah. You're gonna need a 10 mil for these two sockets. Bolts, my bad. Boom. Let's get these joints out the way. Be coolant that will leak out from your bottom hose, and there's a sensor down there, a blue sensor. It looks like this. You just literally turn it, pull out. It's just like when you know, getting it down in dirt. Turn that bit, pull out. Cause we're not having no kids out yet, but boom, that's besides the fact. Wish I could post this camera up real quick, but boom, I got them bitches loose. Take this out with the pick. You're literally just gonna take this and you are going to, where's my flathead? You're gonna take your flathead and literally rest your flathead on this edge. It's gonna be tight against this, but rest your flathead against this edge and you're just gonna pry outwards, and then it's gonna pop off. And then be careful with your bottom hose, because that hose is important and it's a bitch to reinstall. So yeah, just be careful with that. But I'm about to put the camera down real quick and get that bottom hose out, and then get this tank changed real quick. So stay tuned. Boom, that bottom hose is out. Don't know if you guys can see it. Let me get this right to focus. Once you get that out, your coolant's gonna leak out. And be careful, because you do have your sensor down there and you need that. But I got my trash bag sitting over here so I don't make a fat ass fucking mess. And simple, easy. It's honestly not that hard. Fuck. She gushing. She gushing. Yeah, that's about all of it though. And that bitch was leaking. Fuck. But anyways, gonna unbolt these. And after you unbolt these, gonna change the tank, put in your new expansion tank, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to bleed the system, and that will be it. Alright, for your sensor, literally, if you could zoom in, I got a cameraman now, Nate. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. But anyways, for your sensor, literally back here, all you want to do is just take your finger, pry back, and just pull out.
Hold on, do that again.
Literally, you can clip it back in. You pry back this little spring, look, right, and then you literally just pull it out. It's quick and easy. That's how you get the sensor out, so you're not fucking with the clip so much. And if you fuck up your sensor, I mean, it ain't much, but this shit right here, yeah, I think that shit do a shot. But you can pause that. My bad, y'all. I was fucking over here showing Nate how to get this joint down packed. But basically, so what you guys did miss on the install on putting everything back together, all you want to do is you want to take your coolant and you want to fill it up to max while you have the car on. You want to have your heat on the highest setting on both sides, and you want to have it on low. And then literally after that, once you're bleeding your system, I don't know why I have my cold air running though, but you come over here, coolant will drain out and it's going to go through the system, so you're gonna lose coolant. You just add more coolant. After you add the more coolant, you turn the car on, let the coolant go through the system. Then after you let the coolant go through the system, you take the bleeder, and all you're gonna do is literally twist it. Don't twist it all the way though. You can close it. You can close it. You're good. That's all you're gonna do. Is just open that bleeder, and if it oversprays, it's letting out those bubbles. But if you get that consistent flow, you will be good. Consistent flow is literally the coolant just flowing out. The overspray, it will shoot. The coolant will shoot everywhere. And we are good to go. My system is good, baby. But